In this video I'm going to show you how to edit a particular video in the Filmora. Go to import and import media files. Let us I select this media file. Then import it to the timeline by pressing this plus icon. So this is the playhead. We can see as I move this playhead, the video plays. As you can see here, if I start playing, the video is being played. If I press spacebar key, video stops playing. Let us say now, as far as editing is concerned, I may have to remove some part. Let us say in this particular case, I want to remove, say, up to here, the initial or beginning part I want to remove. Then here we have to go to this symbol. So you press it here, and now if you go to this left part and then press right key and go to ripple delete, you can see that initial part has been removed. So if I play now, only this remaining part is in the video. For the time being, I am just using Ctrl Z again so that video remains there only. Now let us say I want to remove this later part, this remaining part from the video. Then again we have to go and cut this remaining part, and then now go to the right part, press right mouse button and go to ripple delete. So we can see here this remaining later part has been removed. Similarly, if I want to remove the part in between, let us say the video is being played like this, and now I don't want this part. Okay, then you can stop the video here, cut it from here, again start playing it, and say up to here I want to remove. So again stop it, go to this scissor symbol, and now go to this middle part by pressing left arrow, and then you can see by pressing right mouse button, again if you go to ripple delete, that middle part has been removed. So now you can see if I play it somewhere from here, we can see that middle part has been totally removed. So this is the way we can remove unwanted part either in the beginning or at the end or even at the middle of your video file. For related videos, you can go to the description below and see all other related videos to the Filmora software.